Hi, boys and girls. How are you? Good? I hope so. I'm good, and you're good. We're all good. Very good. Today, we are going to practice some letters. Some letters. Can you guess which letters we are going to practice right now? One of the letters looks like this. Do you know what the letter is that looks like this? Is it an A? No. Is it a B? No. I think you know it, don't you? It's a what? A U? Yes, it is a U. A U. And the other letter we're going to do looks like this. Do you know what it is? A V? You are really smart. Very good. Today we're going to practice the U and the V. Very, very good. So first, let's look at the letters, what they look like. We have a U and we have a V. The U and the V look almost the same, but are they the same? No, they're not the same. They look almost the same, but they're not the same. They look a little different and they sound a little different. So the U is round on the bottom. The U has a round bottom, and the V, does the V have a round bottom? No, the V has a point on the bottom. So the U has a round bottom and the V has a point on the bottom. So look at the shape very carefully. And let's color the letters so we can see the shape of the letters. So the U looks like this with a round bottom. Okay, the U. Wow, is that a beautiful U? I think my coloring is a little crazy, but you can see this is a U with a round bottom. Now, we also have the V, and the V does not have a round bottom. The V has a point. Yes, remember the shapes. Some shapes have points, like a star has points, and a triangle has points, and the V has a point on the bottom. So look at the shape, point on the bottom, like this. It's a V, a V, V, V. Very good. So when you write your letters, be sure that your U has a round bottom. And when you write a V, be sure that your V has a point on the bottom. So U and V, U and V. Do you remember what I said? I'm going to give you a quick test. Which letter has a point on the bottom? What? A U? No, not a U. It has a point on the bottom. A V? Yes, very good. A V has a point on the bottom. And which letter has a round bottom? U, very good. You are very smart. So the U and the V. Very good. So now that you know how to write the letters and you know the shape, let's look at some sounds that the letters make. Now, the U is a little tricky, but you are smart. I know that you will be very good at the U. Do you see the U's? The first letter is a U, and the first letter is a U. What is this? It looks like a horse. But is this a horse? It looks like a horse, but look at its head. Do you see something strange on its head? I see something strange on its head. It looks kind of like this. It has a horn on its head. because it's a unicorn. A unicorn has a horn on its head. So this is a unicorn. Like a horse with a horn. It's a unicorn. Unicorn. The unicorn starts with a U. It's a U, unicorn. Unicorn. In this word, the U says U, unicorn. The U makes a U sound. Unicorn. Say it with me. Unicorn. Unicorn. Very good. Unicorn. Now, does this word start with a U? Yes, it does. But this word is a little bit different. U, umbrella. U, umbrella. So the U can say U, unicorn, or the U can say umbrella. U, unicorn. U, umbrella. And what can we do with an umbrella? We can put an umbrella on our head like a unicorn? No, that's silly, right? But we could carry an umbrella when it's raining. Very good. We carry an umbrella when it's raining. So U, unicorn. U, umbrella. Now the next one we need to practice is the V. Do you know what sound a V makes? Does a V sound like No. A V has a different sound. And here are a couple of words that start with a V. V, violin. V, van. V, Can you make this sound like violin and a van. A violin, we can play the violin to make some music. And how about the van? Can we play the van to make music? No, but we can drive the van. Okay, violin. V, van. Very good. It's a violin. And it's a van. And do you remember the sounds? U, and also U. Like unicorn, and U, Did you say umbrella? Yes, very good. U, umbrella. And V, violin. Very good. Very good. Now next, we want to practice our letters. Practice writing our letters. So I need a marker again, and you can practice with me. Now remember, the U has what kind of a bottom? Does it have a point on the bottom? No, it has a round bottom. Let's write it together. U. Do you remember what this is? Unicorn. Very good. Unicorn. Now the V has a point. Very good. A point on the bottom. And how do we write the V? 1, 2. 1, 2 with a nice point on the bottom. And how does the V sound? V, violin? No, that's not a violin. Do you remember what this is? It's V, van. Very good. Yes. V, van. U, unicorn. V, van. Very good. Now we have two more that we want to remember. So let's put them right here. Again, we have the U, 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 with a round bottom. And let's write it together. U with a round bottom, a round bottom, a round bottom. And it says, U, umbrella. U, umbrella. Fantastic. U, umbrella. And the V, V, V with a pointy bottom. V, 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 V. V, V, violin, violin, violin. Okay, now that we wrote the letters together, I think you can remember. But let's see if you remember the words. What is this? What is this? It's an umbrella. Very good, an umbrella. How about this? What is it? It's a violin? Fantastic, yes, a violin. And this, is it a horse? No, it's not a horse. It's a unicorn. Very good, a unicorn. So we have an umbrella, a violin, a unicorn. Ooh, that's not a unicorn, is it? But that is a unicorn, and you can drive it, it's a van. Very good. A van. Is this a van? No. It's, I want you to remember, it's an umbrella. Very good. Umbrella. And this is a unicorn. Very good. A unicorn. Umbrella. Unicorn. This, V, van? Very good. A van. A van. And the last one, violin? Very good. You boys and girls are very good at this. Unicorn. V, van. Umbrella. And a violin. Very, very good. So we take down the unicorn and the van, and we take down the umbrella and the violin, and that is all for the U and the V. Very good job. Bye, boys and girls.